Hello everyone, this is Sweet. Welcome to my vlog. For today's video, I will be sharing with you my shopping haul in Tokyo. Let's go on with my haul. So first and foremost, I bought something from Maison de Vie. So this is a luxury vintage shop in Daikanyama. And what I bought there is basically my dream vintage earrings. So this is from Chanel. It comes in a box. And when you open it, ganyan lang siya. Andyan na yung earrings. So, pakita ko na lang. So, these are the earrings. So pretty. These are the Turnlock CC earrings in 24 karat gold plated. This is in large. So, pakita ko sa inyo how it looks like. Actually, sobrang excited ko talaga na makuha tong earrings na to. Ginamit ko na to sa Tokyo after I bought it because I really love it. And even my husband, he also wore one piece of it kasi ang ganda niya. Hindi na kasi ito, kaya nga vintage, hindi na kasi ito ginagawa rin ng Chanel. Yung ganito katingkad na gold. Usually, I don't know what happened. Papel ng papel yung mga gold nila. So, this is how it looks like. Sana nakikita niyo guys. You can wear it properly. Clip-on earring naman siya. Unfortunately, in Maison de Vie, hindi sila tax-free. So, wala kang 10% discount even you're a tourist. But you can ask for a discount na 5%. Yun yung maximum na binibigay nila. Highly recommend it because ang dami magagandang items. So, I suggest you watch our vlog dahil makikita nyo doon yung mga items doon sa mga luxury vintage stores in Daikanyama that are so good. Ang ganda talaga. And then after that, we went to Vini Vini. I bought naman this antique earrings. So, this is from Paris. I think 1980s siya. So, meron talaga naka-engrave sa likod na Paris Lenge. So, yan. It's really old. It's really antique or vintage. Yan, ang ganda niya. Kasi yung mga vintage noon, na kahit plated gold lang, hindi talaga sila nagtatarnish agad. Kaya up until now, they are in pristine condition. Like these earrings, I hope nakikita siya. So, ito siya for closer view. Yan, it's in blue lapis. So, yan talaga yung una kong purchase. Ipapakita ko yung purchases, siguro in order na lang. So, on our second day pa lang talaga, hinanap ko na yung mga vintage luxury shops in Daikanyama. And ito yung first two purchases ko of that day. Unfortunately, yung maghanap ako ng jackets, walang kasya sa akin kasi yung size 38 or medium size ng Chanel, they run small, yung mga vintage nila. And since sa Japan ako, maliliit ang tao sa Japan, wala nagkasya sa aking jacket na gusto ko talaga. On the same day, second day, nung nabili ko yung mga vintage, we also went to Tsutaya Bookstore. And in Tsutaya Bookstore, since may pagka-nerdy ako, we bought some books. So these are the books that we bought. I really love it. I started reading this one, especially this book. So, syempre na-caught yung attention ko because it says, The Prize-Winning Japanese #1 Bestseller by Mizuki Tsujimura. Ang ganda niya. So, Lonely Castle in the Mirror. Nabasa ko pa lang siya kahapon, mga first 2 pages pa lang. Lonely Castle means, I think di ko na sasabihin. Ayoko magkaroon ng, ayoko mag-spoil. But, really highly recommended. This is translated na lang into English. Pero this is really written in Japanese by a Japanese author. Next one, we have the Zen Wisdom for the Anxious. This is a collection of different words of wisdom from a Buddhist monk. So I really need this and I think everyone should have this. I'm not saying that everyone is anxious, but I think we go through the ebbs and flows of life, the ups and downs. That sometimes you just need to have that word or, those phrases that lights up or that keeps us moving. Of course, plus our faith in God. But this is really nice. I started also reading this, so please buy this. This is in Tsutaya Bookstore in Daikanyama. Also, I bought a fan. Syempre, in the Philippines. But what really caught my attention in this fan is because, I'll show you, this is limited edition. Meron lang tong pop-up doon. I don't think andun pa siya. So, nandun pa siya? Okay. So, nandun pa siya. So, then, this is Doraemon. Ayan, ang ganda niya in black and white. It's so elegant looking na fan, no? Ganda. And, teka na ako kasi mainit. I also bought one for my mother-in-law. Ipapakita ko rin yung binili namin for my mother-in-law since siya talaga yung #1 fan ni Doraemon. We also bought some Bully stuff. So, ito yung kanilang packaging. Ang ganda-ganda ng packaging nila. Super, I really love it. Although, itong Bully, hindi naman siya sa Japan talaga. This is a French brand. But I opted to buy it in Japan kasi I was inspired by one of my favorite Japanese vlogger. So, kaya I bought this. Sabi ng favorite Japanese vlogger ko kasi, sabi niya, life is short so you have to surround your life with beautiful things. Your everyday with beautiful things. So, I bought some items from Bully. Yes. And then, ganito pa yung kanyang receipt. Wala lang, pakita ko lang kasi ang ganda. Ang ganda talaga ng packaging. Oh, binigyan pa pala nila ako ng body oil to try on. Anyway, so this is really a true unboxing kasi ngayon ko pa lang siya makikita. Binalot pa talaga nila yung items. So, I wonder what is this. And, nakalagay dito, you see that? I-written my name, Sweet Go Mercy. So, this is handwritten in calligraphy by the staff. Makikita mo doon. Itanong nila yung name mo and then, on the spot, they will write your name. So, kapag assistant ka doon, SA ka, dapat maganda yung sulat mo kasi they really did well. So, I'll open it. I'll be very careful kasi ang ganda ng packaging. I don't want to ruin it. Tadan! So, this is it. So, nakalagay dyan, Official Universal Bully. And this is parang brown na felt. Can you open it? So, I know, alam ko na. So, when you open it, this is how it looks like. This is my comb. Ayan. So, what's special about it is, nakalagay dyan, naka-engrave yung name ko, which is Sweet Go. Ayan. So, this will now be my everyday comb because, guys, believe it or not, hindi ako nagdadala lagi ng comb sa aking bag or purse. So, this will hopefully inspire me to bring a comb wherever I am. And then next is, so another Bully item. I think this one of my, will be one of my everyday essentials. Yeah, it comes naman in a green pouch, mini pouch. Can you guess what is this? Nung nakita ko, I really like it kasi ang ganda niya. So, you can also personalize it. So, here, I personalize this as MGO because for so long, yan lagi yung aking initials. MGO stands for the start of my first full name and then that's my family name. And this is a lip balm. Okay? And may mirror dyan. You can remove yung sticker para mas malinaw yung mirror. Ganda niya, guys. So, this is 6 months expiry. I think kahit mag-expire na to, it will remain in my bag. It's so good. Right? So, that's for my first Bully bag. That's for my first Bully bag. And then, for my second Bully bag naman, actually, sa Daikanyama alone, merong 2 outlets ang Bully. Not outlet, I mean 2 boutiques. And then, sa Shibuya Park ko naman, meron din sila doong boutique. Pero, maliit lang siya as compared doon sa Daikanyama. So, naka-sealed siya. Kasi po, this is tax-free. So, sa Japan, when you buy it, the good thing is, sa cashier pa lang, tina-tax-free na nila. Hindi ka na kailangan pumila sa airport. However, sinisil nila yon dahil kapag ginamit mo siya, you will be paying their consumable tax. I bought this one. Just admire the packaging, guys. Ang ganda niya talaga. Right? So pretty. And it has also my name, Mary Ann Sweet Go, handwritten, calligraphy. So, look at that. Ito yung pinaka-aesthetic na cleansing milk. So, pwede siyang pang-alis ng makeup. So, it's a cleansing milk. It also comes with a pump para pwede mo palitan yung cup niya. Ang ganda, guys, ng cup. Ito, oh. Yung cup niya. And this is not plastic, by the way. Babasagin siya, kaya medyo heavy siya. Ayan, ang ganda. And I will also, yun, sabi ko nga yung prices. That's it. So, cleansing milk. And aside from that, so yung binili ko talaga is yung magagamit ko in everyday. So, I will just try that. And so, next na visit natin sa Bully, I'll be trying some of their products. Next is also, I tried their toothpaste. Yan. So, even the toothpaste packaging is so nice. Ito na yata yung pinaka-nice in packaging. Number 1 in packaging. This is the toothpaste, how it looks like. And not only the toothpaste, I also bought this one. You can buy this separately. So, this is the stand for the toothpaste. Para siyang faucet. Tapos, tatayo na siyang ganyan. O, diba? Napaka-aesthetic. Oh my goodness. Yeah, sapat 3 pesos yung bibilhin namin. Kaya lang guys, nakakatawa. Nakakatawa talaga. So, ito yung nakakatawa experience namin. Unang butik na pinuntahan namin sa Daikanyama, it was a fail kasi walang nag-i-engrave sila yung machine. So, sabi nila, punta kami sa kabilang butik. So, lakad-lakad kami. Hindi ito masyadong malapit ha. So, naglakad kami. Then, punta na naman kami doon. So, mga 10 minutes walk sa isang Daikanyama butik din. Ang fail naman doon, babe, anong problema? Hindi naman siya tax-free. Sabi ko, oh my goodness, ang dami kong bibilhin. I mean, di ba? I mean, it's a significant amount din. Tapos, hindi sila tax-free. Might as well, bakit pa ako bibili dito kung hindi na naman tax-free? So, sabi nila, punta ka Shibuya Parko. Kaya lang, yung sa Shibuya Parko naman, aabutin pa ng 1 day bago magawa yung engraving. Sabi ko, gusto ko ng engraving. Eh, aalis na kami the next morning. So, impossible, di ba?
Saka hindi available yung pack of 3.
Saka hindi rin available yung pack of 3 doon sa second boutique. Sa third boutique, hindi rin siya available. Available siya sa first boutique. Wala na kaming energy, guys, para pumunta pa sa first boutique. So, ending, hindi namin nabili yung pack of 3. So, ito na lang muna yung binili ko. The good side, nakatipid ako, di ba? Anyway, at least meron pa tayong babalikan. So, maybe kapag napunta kami sa Paris, hopefully, doon makabili pa ako. So, that's for my Bully items. I really love them kasi napaka-aesthetic niya, useful, and hindi naman siya ganun sobrang mahal, unlike yung mga other na branded items. So, dumating kami sa MoMA or Museum of Modern Art. Yan. So, si Habi nakabili, bumili siya ng cup niya. This is a collaboration with New Era. So, yeah, madaming reseller doon, binibenta nila ng higher price. Kaya 1 lang per customer, nililimit nila para maiwasan yung reseller. So, go there. And ito din, bumili din kami ng reusable bag because, of course, pag namimili tayo, ayaw na natin ng mas daming plastic to help the environment din naman. So, reusable bag na MoMA. So, this is how it looks like. Share ko na rin lang. This is konting buys lang, pero, diba? At least, may token kami from MoMA. Siguro next time, I will be more prepared kasi ang ganda ng MoMA. Pinakita ko dun sa vlog yung mga clips ng mga nakita namin sa MoMA na babalikan ko next time. Tapos may mga sweaters ng Champion. Pero ang nakalagay is MoMA. Kaya lang, according to my husband, hindi niya nagustuhan medyo yung quality, pero okay naman yung price. Ako naman, yung gusto ko dun sa MoMA na babalikan ko, kaya lang hindi ako prepared this time because sa luggage space is yung cut. And I don't know if pareho kayo sa akin, pag bayaran na medyo ambivalent ka, and then magsisisi ka kapag wala ka na, hindi mo na siya mabibili. So, ayun, mga babalikan ko yun. So, gusto ko yung cut na clock. Papakita namin yun sa vlog. So, please watch our vlog. Ayan. So, di ba, grabe yung push. Anyway, next up, so, yan lang yung sa MoMA. And then, next up naman is some of the beauty items na I bought from Cosme. Cosme is a store in Harajuku na research ko na I really, really love. I hope I have 1 whole day there kasi first floor lang talaga yung naabot ko. Kasi mamamatay na yung asawa ko sa kakahintay para siyang matutunaw doon. So, anyway, ang ganda-ganda niya. 3 floors yata siya, 4 floors. Papakita ko sa vlog ko ilang floors siya. Pero yung first floor yung pinaka-importante. Kasi andun talaga yung mga ranking ng mga products and also, I bought some. So, this is my Cosme haul. So, I have 2 bags from Cosme. And, so, the first one, this is si Pikachu. Pokemon. Actually, ito ay isang, what do you call this one? This is a serum. Ito yung number 1 lash serum nila. That's why I bought it. And this is from Japan. Kaya sabi ko, let's try it. I will put the name here kasi naka-Japanese siya. Hindi ko po siya mabasa. So, I will be putting it here in the side na lang. But the good thing is this is made in Japan. So, I advise Madami kasi made in China ngayon, kahit mga Japanese products made in China. Always read the label na dapat made in Japan siya. No? Para alam mo talaga na it's a Japanese product that you're buying. So, this is the packaging. This is how it looks like. So, this is the serum Scalp Beauty. I think this is a limited edition packaging kaya puro siya Pikachu. So, that's first. That's hopefully dumami ang ating lashes. And then next, sa brows naman, of course, kukunin natin yung One Day Tattoo. I got 2 versions in color natural, no, I think mocha brown. Number 3 mocha brown. The good thing about there sa Cosme is pwede mong itry yung mga products nila para alam mo na tama yung shade na makukuha mo. So, this is waterproof, kaya nagustuhan ko siya para end of the day, hindi hulas yung kilay natin. So, yung isa, yung may brush, yung pwede kang gumawa ng mga strokes mo and powder. That's why I bought this. And then, the other one naman is yung mas madaling gamitin, which is pencil and then powder. And then, meron pa siyang yung pang brush. Okay? So, that's it. And then, next one, I bought this powder. Again, it is in Japanese, so I cannot read it. But ito lang yung English niya, Moisture Protect Powder. So, what I like about this is that moisture protect powder siya. Usually kasi, yung mga powder, it's too matte na nagdadry yung face ko. Kaya, sabi ko, maganda to. At least yung moist is retain. And the best part is SPF 42 PA++. Kaya gusto ko talaga ng mga Japanese products, especially their powder, kasi they are big on their SPF. So, alam mo naman, ang SPF natin, every 2 hours dapat nag-reapply. And for me, the best or the most convenient way to reapply your SPF is through powders. So, ito siya. Ito yung packaging niya. Then, may mga different shade din to. Okay, pakita ko na lang din yung shade. Tadaan! Anyway, okay, I will be reviewing this. Siyempre, hindi ko po ito nagamit. And then, my favorite powder in the whole wide world is the Supin powder. I got 2 of this. Bumili ako sa Cosme and then may nakita pa ako sa Don Quijote. So, this is my favorite powder in the whole wide world. What's unique about this powder is that it's a skincare, literally. What's good about this powder is pwede mo siyang ipantulog. Meaning to say, kahit matutulog ka na, pwede kang mag-powder. Ang effect nito sa face is parang, hindi ko siya gamit ngayon ha, kasi naubusan ako nito. Ang effect nito sa face is that parang glowy ka, bright yung face mo. It blurs the pores. So, super pretty talaga siya. That's why it's super pretty and ito siya, ganda. And then ito yung puff niya. This is my favorite powder. Highly recommended. Please buy this, guys. Kasi example, mag-overnight ka, tapos kasama mo yung, I don't know, may retreat ka or something, and then matutulog kayo. Di ba, mga ganun activities sa school or events, matutulog na kayo, you're in jammies, kailangan yung ng late night activity, and then andun yung crush mo or mayroon kang kaaway, I don't know, or friends mo, you want to look presentable, gamitin nyo to. It looks so natural. Ang ganda. Diba? Paggising mo sa umaga, fresh ka na agad, hindi ka mukhang tired kahit wala kang tulog. That's that. And then, I bought also Etvos Hair Care because this is a relaxing massage brush. Naisip ko kasi, mahilig ako magpa-nails and nasisira yung nails natin. Kakaganyan, kakamassage, diba? Ito yung pinaka-soft na na-try ko. Kasi pinatry ko talaga lahat. So, pinaka-soft dito dahil ayoko naman yung matigas. So, this is the Etvos one, made in Japan din. And then, we have Tear Tear. Itong Tear Tear, this is not made in Japan. This is made in Korea. Pero, hype na hype siya sa Japan. So, I want to try it. And actually, when I was there, I already tried their small version. Like, ang cute. This is very affordable. And, on the go. Kahit uso ngayon yung maliliit na purse, kasyang-kasya siya. And I've tried this whole day, wala siyang hulas. Ang cute niya. And it's in oval shape. Tapos, ganito din yung ano niya. Puff niya. Ang ganda. And, kita ko lang, guys. So, that's it. Meron siyang range ng color. So, kinuha ko is 21N. Range of colors, 21N yung sa 21N Ivory. Ito, it says, all cover cushion, mask fit. So, meaning, kahit naka-mask ka, pagtanggal mo ng mask mo, hindi siya hindi siya lilipat doon sa mask mo. So, wala kang marks. And then, ito namang isa, is yung kinuha ko yung mask shield din, pero ito yung 72-hour coverage. O, diba? May nagme-makeup ba ng 72 hours? Pero, just in case, kailangan mo ng makeup ng 72 hours. Tatagal siya ng 72 hours. So, ito naman yung malaking version. Ang cute! It's in black. Para siyang egg. Nice. The sponge is also in black. What I remember about this is yung sikat na hand cream ng Chanel na also in oval, right? Or oblong na shape. Very nice. I love that packaging. I'm a sucker for good packaging, guys. And going through the theme of good packaging, I also bought something from Dior. Kasi kahit may mga items ng Dior dito sa Pinas or abroad, yung ibang items ang hirap hanapin. Like this one. So, ito talaga hinanap ko siya. Look at that! It's the packaging, guys. Ang ganda niya. So, ito, case lang to. Okay? Case lang siya. Papalitan mo na lang siya. So, pinapili ko yung, since magsasara na, and ayoko naman maghintay pa si hubby ng matagal, pinapili ko na yung, yung SA ko, anong bestseller. So, I bought that. Right? Tingnan nga natin yung shade na to. Ah, nice. Very nice. Anyway, I will be reviewing this siguro after a month. I-share ko sa inyo. So, you have to buy this po separately. Okay? Ang ganda. Ang ganda-ganda niya. Alright. So, that's for my Dior Lippy. And then, this is the #1 sunscreen in Cosme. I was so intrigued. This is Nivea UV Deep Protect and Care Gel SPF 50+. Kaya, I have to buy this. I will review this also. And this one naman, this is one of their bestseller din na eyebrow. So, dami kong eyebrows, 3 kasi Kilay is Life. 3 products yung nakuha ko. This is Deja Vu. And yung husband ko yung pumili ng shade. Tutulungan niya na ako kasi ang tagal-tagal ko na. And then also this one, this is their #1 na lip care. Ito ay lip scrub. I cannot read this but this is from Canmake Tokyo. Ayan, nakalagay po dyan. And meron tong shade din. So, I got the shade in #2. So, I will be reviewing this also in my next vlog. I think that's what I got from Cosme. And then, at Shibuya Parko, nahanap ko rin sa wakas yung IPSA because IPSA is the #1 na parang for hydrating product sa Japan. And napanood ko dun sa one of my favorite Japanese vloggers din, that the dermatologist in Japan, ito yung nire-recommend nila if you have dry skin para talaga control yung moisture ng skin mo. And as you know, I have very dry skin. Kaya I got this IPSA product. Ayan, nagamit ko na nga siya last night. Unfortunately, since this is a bestseller, may baliktad. Yung Time Reset Aqua nila, so this is how it looks like. Since this is a bestseller, hindi po siya binibigay na tax-free. Okay? Ganyan siya katindi. Pero yung iba nilang products, like this one, the corrective concealer, ayan, nakakuha tayo tax-free. See, ang ganda talaga. Even their concealers are with SPF. So, SPF 25 PA++. So, I will show you how the concealer looks like and bakit ko siya binili. First, it's compact. Second, it has a mirror na and meron siyang 3 colors. Diba? Ang ganda. No? So, when I tried it sa counter, ang una mong gagawin is kung yung darker color muna, which is yung mas lapit sa skin mo, and then yung brighter color naman para mag-brighten up talaga. Hindi kasi pwedeng yung brighter color agad, kundi magiging unnatural yung itsura. So, that's it. And not only I bought one of this, but I bought another 2. And then, guys, I'm so happy kasi nung pauwi na kami, nakakita ako nitong travel exclusive na IPSA na timer set nila. So, I don't only have 1, but I have 3. O, diba? Kasi ito, mahirap tong mabili. Hindi to nakikita sa mga drugstores ng Japan. Kailangan talagang puntahan mo siya sa store niya mismo. I'm really happy. Kaya, tip ko is that, para maka-discount kayo, kasi discounted to travel exclusive, makukuha mo lang siya sa duty free kapag nasa airport na. And, hindi na ito makakabigad pa sa luggage mo. Okay? So, mas mura siya dito. Parang nag-add ka lang ng 2,000 yen. Tapos, 2 na sila. Kaya, yeah. Love it. Alright, let's go on to the next one. But before tayo makapunta sa Don Quijote Halls, I know, hindi ka pwedeng pumunta ng Japan na wala kang Don Quijote Halls. Papakita ko lang sa inyo yung mga shoes purchases ko, which I'm very, very proud of myself dahil hindi ako bumili ng luxury shoes. So, first off, we have this shoes. This is from Mausi. Mausi is an exclusive Japanese brand. And what I love about this is it's very white. Pero maganda siya. Hindi naman siya yung parang bangka. I will insert some clips of me wearing this. And it's light. It's not heavy. And soft. And of course, affordable. So, yan. Pakita ko yung price. So, this is Mausi. So, ayun siya guys. And then yan. Okay, I got the size large. Sa Japan, yung mga shoes nila pag Japanese brand, small, medium, or large lang. Walang 36, 37, ayun. So, very pretty. Tapos, chunky siya. So, it adds height. Siguro mga 1 inch or more. Diba? Ganda. And it's real leather pa. Okay, so that's one. I love that. Super, super love. And then, next one is another shoes. By the way, guys, tinanggal ko na sila sa boxes. Yung mouse, it comes also in a box. Tinanggal ko na siya kasi maging bulky. Okay lang naman yon, natanggalin mo siya sa box. Meron naman siyang wrapper pa rin or, I don't know, meron pa rin siyang packaging. Basta wag nyo lang siyang gamitin just in case i-check sa immigration sa Japan. And then, next is this one. Can you believe kung anong brand to? I was really looking for a platform na sandals or na shoes na reasonable yung price. At first, gusto kong bilhin yung sa Valentino na platform na sandals kasi siya talaga yung nag-create ng hype around platform sandals. But then, I'm not so sure if I can commit to it. First, I have a very wide fit. So, baka masaktan lang ako and what, I'm not so sure. Or maybe hindi ko siya masyadong magamit kasi baka in the long run or, alam mo yun, mabigat pala masyado palang matangkad. Kasi I never had a shoe or shoes na ganito kataas. So, when I saw this in Japan, I'm very, very happy kasi this is the very affordable and pwede ko siyang matest out kung gusto ko na mag-commit sa mas mahal na brand. And this is only from Charles & Kit. Yan. Yung Charles & Kit kasi mas affordable naman siya compared sa mga luxury brands like Valentino. However, look at the style. It's so nice. Quality is so good din naman sa Charles & Kit. I have several shoes from Charles & Kit and they're very good. And the style. And when I tried this, it's comfortable and medyo wider siya kaysa sa Valentino na platform sandals. Yes. Then, napadpad din tayo sa Yokohama, which is 1 hour away from Tokyo. Dahil binisita natin, of course, ang Gundam Factory. Yung Gundam Factory, papakita namin yung clips sa video again, sa vlog, kaya manood kayo ng vlog, is that hanggang 2022 lang dapat siya. Kaya lang dahil ng pandemic, in-extend siya hanggang March of 2024. Kaya if you can go to Tokyo, please visit the Gundam Factory because you will really be amazed. And as a souvenir, we bought this one. So, this is a t-shirt, a shirt, na exclusively mabibili mo lang sa Gundam Factory. While it still lasts. Yeah, very nice. I went for the XL short, XL size, para oversize siya sa akin. So, that's it. That's the t-shirt. Of course, we also bought some pasalubong. So, ito sa airport na namin ito nabili. We opted sa airport kaysa sa Don Quijote pa namin bilhin yung mga pasalubong sa mga chocolates, yung mga food, dahil makakadagdag sila sa luggages, no? Sa bigat. Just in case. So, of course, syempre, bumili kami ng Nama chocolate. Around 300 something to doon sa Japan or 400 pesos. Kaya, it's a good buy there. But I don't think makikita mo to sa Don Quijote. Makikita mo to sa airport lang. Doon ko lang siya nakita eh. Yung Nama chocolates. And nagbigay na din ako sa mother-in-law ko. So, yun. I don't know sa husband ko. Dalawa lang yung kinuha niya. Kaya, anyway. And then, my favorite, macadamia. I know we have this in the Philippines. Pero sobrang mura nito sa Japan. Siguro around 100 something. Almost 200 pesos or 200. Yeah. So, we bought 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 pieces of this. Dami. Yan. So, we have 7. And then, of course, I have to buy the big one then. Ito, nasa 400. Plus, andito din yung other Meiji chocolates din. Ganitong variety. Then, I bought 3 plus, syempre, 4 of this na black. And then, the strawberry chocolate na Meiji din. So, we have 2. Yes. And then, I guess that's the food items na we got from the airport. So, let's go na sa ating favorite Don Quijote haul. Now for our Don Quijote hauls. So, for my number 1 item in Don Quijote, don't judge me, is my Rohi paint patches. Kasi syempre, I'm not getting any younger, and because my work is more on sa office lang ako, kakaupo, masakit sa likod, masakit sa shoulders, and all. Kaysa ma-overdose ako sa kaka-ibuprofen or NSAIDs, I will have paint patches na lang. So, itong paint patches na to, highly recommended. Like, na-try ko na siguro lahat. Salon Pass, Tiger Balm, for your muscle pain, for your shoulder pain, stiff neck, the best. Ang ganda. Hanggang kinaumagahan, mainit pa rin siya. So, I really love this. And it's affordable. And the best part is that you will not be overdosed. You will not get overdosed dahil wala siyang medications. Hindi siya medicated. Akala nyo yung ibang paint patches, topical lang, wala medications. Meron po yung iba, kaya you have to read it. Yung iba, meron siyang ibuprofen. Meron ngang nakita ako na may Voltaren or may diclofenac, NSAIDs. Don't buy that kasi kahit topical siya, pwede siya maging systemic yung effect and magkaka-overdose kayo, maapektuhan yung liver nyo and all. So, go with this one. Highly recommended. Ang daming bibili nito. That's why I got 10 of this. 10 or 9 of this. Kaya, the best. Best Buy. Number 1. Kasi mahal siya sa Amazon. And then, another thing that I've heard in Japan that I really love is their facial wipes. So, I have from Softimo. Nagamit ko na rin to. This is so nice. This is 52 sheets. Made in Japan. And then, by Festa. For 10 years, I've been using by Festa. Really the best. Like, micellar sheet. Cleansing sheet siya. Like, in the morning, hindi kayo makapagkilamos kasi I don't wash my face in the morning. Usually, ang ginagawa ko is that I use the Avene na spray. Avene na thermal spray. And then, I just wipe it off with my cotton pads or whatnot. Or sometimes, kapag may cleansing sheet ako na micellar, this is the one I'm using this. I don't wash my face every morning kasi nakaka-dry siya, according to my dermatologist. So, yun. So, I have the one that for brightening and I have the one for moisturizing. So nice. Love it. And it's affordable there. And then, of course, a lot of walking in Japan. So, we have to try this as well. Ito talaga pinagkakaguluhan to. These are cooling sheet for legs. Ito, pampalamig to as compared to my Ruhi patches naman. This is pang-warm, okay? Pero, between the two, what I do suggest, I suggest this one. Syempre, Ruhi patches is number 1. And then, next up, so of course, we can never go wrong with my favorite sunscreen. This is Biore. I've got 2 of this. Meron pa ako supply sa bahay, kaya konti lang yung binili ko. Binigyan ko din yung aking mother-in-law. And then, another Supin powder. I've already discussed this a while ago. Talk about that. And then, of course, Melano-CC na serum. This is very popular in Japan. Medyo nagmahal na nga sa Japan, but this is number 1. Ayan, kaya binili ko pa rin siya. Kasi, very convenient siyang gamitin, unlike any other vitamin C serum na nag-oxidize dahil na-expose agad. Ito hindi dahil ang ganda ng packaging. And then, at the same time, this is more affordable as compared to other vitamin C serum like SkinCeuticals. So, I've tried this before and I've used this also in, example, brightening your dark areas like elbows. And nagkaroon kasi ako ng allergic reaction nun before sa armpit ko. And I've used this and it's effective. So, this is gentle yet effective product. Highly recommended. I have to get this. This is Cosme number 1 na lip balm. This is from DHC. Yan, very simple lang siya. This is around siguro 400 pesos. Very nice. And then, syempre, pasalubongs. We have ref magnets, keychains, ref magnets. We all bought this. sa airport na. And, so doon, ang dami. Siguro we got mga 10 nito. Hindi ko na isa-isahin. Of course, we got chopsticks para sa house namin. Yan. So, these are like, may Totoro siya. Yung sa husband ko is yung may dragon yung pinili niya. So, ayan. And then, I got the Raymond na, what do you call this one? Band-Aids. I think, hindi ko to sa Don Quixote nakuha. Sa Don Quixote ba? Don Quixote. Wow! Yeah, Don Quixote. This is made in Japan. And of course, may isa pa palang nahiwalay. Nakabili ako ng weekly gel na nail polishes in color almond brown and pistachio. So, nakita ko to sa Japan. I was so intrigued. I will make a review of this kasi itong weekly gel na to, it's a gel polish, but bakit siya tinawag na weekly gel is that pwede mo siyang tanggalin or magbago ng gels mo every week. Because, syempre isipin natin, makakadami siya sa nails, no? No, it wouldn't. Dahil siya, hindi mo siya kailangang ipatanggal sa salon dahil peel off po siya. Hindi mo kailangan ng any solution or any machine para tanggalin siya. So, let's see how it works, right? So, this is from the brand Home Weekly Gel. You can also buy this in Cosme. Yan. Nice. I got 2. Just in case kung hindi siya maging effective. And the Raymond pens. We've got 3. It's so cute, guys. Look at that. Ang cute. Yeah, we've got 3 of that. Siyempre, binigyan din namin yung mother-in-law ko. So, sa mga cutesy stuff naman tayo na I couldn't believe na nabili ko siya. Kasi talagang nakita ko siya. Nakita ko sila. So, first, we have clips. I've got the Miffy one. And my favorite sa new character, Bad Smaru. I like him. Male siya dahil parang he doesn't use parang whatever yung face niya. So, that's why I love him. Right? Sabi niya ng husband ko, he looks so shitty, but that's why I love him. And this is Miffy. So, these are all made in Japan. So, I'm very happy. So, yeah. Oh, I also bought this. Kung alam niyo to, yung Matomage. Actually use this in Tokyo, lalo na windy doon ngayon. So, yun. Ito yung parang ilalagay mo lang siya sa hair mo. And then, okay na siya. It's like, para siyang keychain. This is Hello Kitty na merong bird. Meron siyang cup na bird. Ayan. Wala kasing Bad Smaru. So, the second favorite character sa Sanrio ko is actually si Keroppi, yung frog. Pero wala rin ganito si frog. And yung third ko is si Hello Kitty. So, that's why I opted na for Hello Kitty. That's it. Very, very cute. And my favorite color is also pink. I bought a Bad Smaru na stress ball dahil pag kinukuha na ako ng dugo or pag na-stress ako, I always look for a stress ball, something to, you know, just to squish. Next, lastly, is also, of course, a headband from Bad Smaru. So, ayan siya. And oh my goodness, I'm so excited to wear this every day. Hindi ko kasi matanggal to, but this is how it looks like si Bad Smaru. So, nakaganyan ka. Let me try it, guys. Oh my goodness, it's so cute! Ayan. Diba? Ang saya yung parang bad trip ka, tapos makikita mo si Bad Smaru na mas mukhang bad trip sa'yo, o di, okay ka na ulit, no? Kasi mukhang, ewan ko yung itsura niya eh. Mukhang ako lang paggalit. I really love it. And then guys, sa airport, ito, nakabili kami ng mga ganito. Keychains siya in 3 pieces na. Mas mura siya compared sa Don Quixote. So, highly advisable na sa airport na kayo bumili ng inyong mga pasalubong. So, keychains, ganito. Bumili kami ng madaming ganito pang pasalubong. Mas mura siya sa airport. And then, mga ganito din, mga ref magnets. So, binili rin namin siya sa airport kasi mas mura siya doon. Okay? So, we've got like a lot. Siguro mga 7 pieces of this one. And then this one also. And also, we want to share this item. This is a cooling spray. Yan, i-spray nyo siya sa iyong damit. We have tried this dahil sa init sa Pilipinas. Na-try na namin to. Like right now, I'm vlogging. What it does is that pinapalamig nyo yung pakiramdam mo. I-spray mo siya sa damit mo and then lalamig yung pakiramdam mo. You'll feel fresh. Hindi masyadong mainit. So, this one is also highly recommended. Then guys, of course, I also bought moisturizer. So we have for nighttime and daytime. These are very popular in Japan. This is the Go Koijun Premium. Yan. In yellow. So, basahin nyo na dapat ito yung moisturizer, hindi siya yung all-day balm. And, na-try ko na siya. That's why it's premium kasi this is for aging skin. Hindi naman dahil sa aging na ako, but because meron siyang anti-aging properties like crinkle, anti-wrinkle, and for hydrating, ito yung number 1 kapag kailangan mo talaga ng hydrating or, hydration sa skin. Right? So, this is for nighttime. And then, of course, I'll have to get the daytime. This is also one of their best sellers. As you can see, SPF 50 plus siya. And it's a white gel. So, maganda to lalo na sa Pilipinas na humid. I've also tried this kasi this is fast absorbing. And it's a gel. So, kahit kayo oily skin or dry skin, magagamit niyo siya. So, ganyan siya. Madaling ma-absorb. And SPF 50. Are you kidding me? So, talagang maganda siya. I really love this. And it's affordable. That's one. And also, kung may Doraemon ako, syempre meron ako si Kimono Girl. Isang geisha na pen. Yeah? I also bought this sa airport together with the Doraemon na pen. Okay? And another one, bago matapos, is that I also bought this sa Function Nail Salon, is the Accents Nail and Cuticle Oil. Guys, this is made in Canada. Pero binibenta nila sa Japan. This really saved my nails, yung toenails ko ha, hindi yung fingernails ko, na super dry. It really helps. So, highly recommended. Mahirap makahanap ng nail and cuticle oil that really works. This one works wonder. And I think that's my Japan haul. I know it's not much when it comes to price, but I really enjoyed it. Talagang nawala yung stress ko while in Japan. We've been there for a short time lang, only for 10 days. But na-soak in talaga namin yung scenery and all. Nahiya man ako sabihin, pero ang napuntahan lang yata namin ng husband ko is the Omatesando District, Harajuku, Shibuya, Yokohama, Shinjuku. Tokyo lang talaga. Yun lang talaga. Kasi gusto namin is yung maglakad lang. Kasi nung unang punta namin doon, where we stayed 15 days, talaga mga touristy things yung ginawa namin. But this time, pinuntahan talaga namin yung mga stores, yung mga hindi mo siya pinupuntahan ng mga turista. Kaya I recommend nga you watch our vlog if you want to learn where to shop, what to buy in Japan din. And where to eat. Kasi, oh my goodness, we've tried Michelin restaurants and good food talaga na talagang pinipilahan and all. So, yeah. Watch our vlog. And I hope you have enjoyed our mini haul. It's not much, sabi ko nga, when it comes to price, pero in quantity, medyo may kadamihan siya. And if you'll ask me kung kulang pa to, yes, kulang pa siya. Dapat bumili pa ako ng mas madami. Nagsisisi nga ako. Kasi nawalan lang kami ng time. Kasi ang aga mag-close ng mga shops doon. They open at 11 AM and then they close at 7 PM. So, such a bummer. But in a heartbeat, if I can go back to Japan, I will. Alright? So, that's the end of our haul video. I hope you have enjoyed it. I hope I have inspired you to make your travel to Japan na and i-list nyo yung something na you want to buy in Japan. Or may mga items kayo na baka gusto nyo rin bilhin when you go to Japan. So that's all for now. And good luck everyone. God bless and see you on the next one. Bye! どうでもいいような夜だけどどよめききらめきと君も